Hey everyone, it's Lorenzo here from Inception Auto Detailing, and the car that I have here behind me, we don't get a lot of this all the time as we mostly do a lot of Teslas, but I do have a 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan here. So it's a brand new car and it's a pretty straightforward job. So what we did here is the Xpel Ultimate Plus 10 mil thickness film on the full front end of the car. So we're talking about the bumper here, the grille here, the full fenders, the full hood, headlights, fog lights, the mirrors, but also last but not least, the rocker panels as well. So that's all we did for this car. We touched it up with a ceramic detail spray just to give it a new car look, just to freshen it up for the owner after doing the bit of a messy work. So it's nice and presentable. So that's what we did here, and we'll get you more cars soon.
So we use these needles to poke out air holes